Here, Jack. Shh. Annabelle, I want to hear about the hot air balloons. Tell me more about those, because I forgot what you said about them. Hey, Jack.
I've had been to fly up in the air. I've had to go up in the air with my season. What if I see at a seaplane?
What if what?
A seaplane? No.
No. It's a blue. A seaplane.
A sea place?
A ski place.
Oh, thank you.
Ski place. Wow.
What if you see a hot air balloon at the ski place?
Yeah.
Then what would happen? What do you think?
Then I have to jetpack and fly into there.
You would get a jetpack and you fly into there?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Then turn it off.
Oh no!
Did I get in here?
I like it a little brighter.
No, I never.
Oh, I don't. Did they get the cheese? Hopefully they didn't get our good cheese. Those naughty kitties. Do you think they got it? Oh. Mommy will trim it off.
Maybe not.
And look what the baby doing.
Will
Can
you
the
turn on
baby
my
do
light
it?
for me,
It
baby?
goes the other way.
Yeah.
Roll it towards me.
Not in here. Then turn it up.
Roll it the other way. Like,
Fly it over just.
yeah.
Yeah.
Did it?
Come on, cow.
So,
Go up.
where are we gonna? Hey, Annabelle, where are we gonna ride in your hot air balloon? What were you just singing about? I thought I heard you sing.
Okay. I want to be in the hot air balloon. It's just I'm my baby dad. And I'm my toys. And my blanket. I put half of my toys. My blanket in there. Hot air balloons. Plastic is not dirty.
Well,
The basket is not dirty? No, that's probably true.
where are you going in your hot air balloon?
In a North Pole.
You are? Why do you want to go to the North Pole?
Because I want to see polar bears.
Cool. What do you think the polar bears would say when they saw a hot air balloon?
They say, I want to get in there.
Do you think they could fit in one?
Look! They like it in here.